Is it time to buy or sell NewsMax stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NewsMax. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has categorized NewsMax as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock has broken through the very wide and declining short-term trend line. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which could very well signal an early shift in the trend. On any reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which stands at $12.52. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a potential upswing. According to fan theory, $17.55 could be the next possible peak level in the trend, thereby establishing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 34.23% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 66% and negative 43.11%. Our latest daily update for NewsMax includes the headline, High Volatility in NMAX Inc. stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $14.47. The NMAX Inc. stock price gained 11.48% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, rising from $12.98 to $14.47. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.99%, reaching a day low of $12.93 and a day high of $14.48. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.7% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 780,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold for approximately $22,710,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $265. And the lowest price was $11.40. Currently, the price is 94.54%, or $250.53, below the 52-week high of $265, which is also the all-time high for the stock. NewsMax is currently in the spotlight following a series of developments that are reshaping its investment narrative. The company settled the prominent Dominion defamation lawsuit for $67 million. A significant one-time cash outlay that alleviated a major legal burden and initiated a sharp intraday rally. Days later, the company announced a robust second quarter, reporting revenue of $46.4 million, which marks an 18% increase year over year. Broadcast revenue saw an increase of 28.5%, and the network attracted approximately 26 million viewers quarterly, securing NewsMax's position among the leading cable news outlets. Additionally, management appointed David Gandler, co-founder and CEO of Fubo TV, to the board, indicating a strategic move towards streaming and fast channel monetization. In the short term, the settlement combined with a positive quarterly performance may boost sentiment, lessen uncertainty, and pave the way for further upside as investors adjust their risk assessments. Looking to the long term, sustained audience growth paired with streaming expertise could enhance advertising and distribution revenue. However, challenges such as high volatility, reputational concerns, and ongoing litigation risks persist. It would be crucial to monitor the execution of streaming strategies and trends in margins to determine whether these gains are sustainable. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to NewsMax stock, They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Newsmax. NMAX Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is an overall sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $12.93 and $13.56. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11, 2025, and the stock has increased by 26.05% since then. Further increases are projected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 17 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 99 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Newsmax. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $13.17 and $13.03. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, NMAX Inc. finds support just below today's level at $13.17. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.03 and $12.67. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.55 between high and low, or 11.99%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 9.65%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Newsmax, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Newsmax. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Newsmax is at $14.77. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Newsmax encounters its first support level at $13.17. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Newsmax from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Paula J. Dobriansky, who bought and sold a total of 13,813 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 2 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of 91.072. Overall, insiders have purchased 13,813 shares and sold none in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.92, reflecting a decrease of 3.78%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that was reached 8 days ago. Is Newsmax stock a good buy? Newsmax Incorporated shows several positive signals, yet we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, suggesting either to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate that Newsmax will open lower by 510 cents, starting trading at $13.96. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.